Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. You remember a couple of weeks ago, y'all probably say, I'm tired of this Trader Joe's. I'm telling you, I bought all this stuff from Trader Joe's, and I promised y'all that I was going to make different things out of it. Y'all remember I made it too. The buttermilk pancake mix. And bought the buttermilk pancakes mix from Trader Joe's, and it also say an all-purpose baking mix. So in the back of the box, it say you can make the pancakes, which I did. You can make silver dollar pancakes. You can make waffles, but you can make what they say, butter flake angel biscuits. That's what we gonna make today. I'm gonna do it exactly like it is. The directions on the box, y'all. And we're gonna see how this come out. According to the directions on the box, it say use 2 cups of the baking mix, which I got in here. And then it say use a 3/4 cup of cold butter. And I'm gonna cut it in just like you making regular biscuits. Got my little dough cutter here. You can use a fork, y'all, if you want to. If you don't have one of these things here, because I didn't grow up with one of these fancy things. My mama used to use a fork and cut the dough into the biscuit. Set off there. And make sure, like I say, y'all, just make sure the butter's cold. That's the key. What gives you a flakier biscuit. A lot of people don't know that. That's what makes your biscuit nice and flaky. As that heat hits that butter and starts to melt, it causes nice layers and flakiness of your biscuit. A little bit more of that. All right. I already know it's gonna be good, y'all. Anytime you need butter and buttermilk, it say cold milk. It doesn't say what kind of milk. So anytime I'm making biscuits, y'all, you already know I'm using some buttermilk. And I use real whole buttermilk. So mix that up in there. Let's go by the directions here. It say, add the cube butter to the large bowl. Use a pastry knife. A fork cut in the butter. Mix until it reaches cornmeal. Add any flavors you want. I guess whatever kind of biscuit you want. Add the milk. Stir until it forms a soft dough. And then it tells you, how to form the common sense how to make a biscuit. So we're going to pour the milk in here. Pour the rest of it in there. I might need more buttermilk. This said use milk, so I use actual buttermilk. So, buttermilk is thicker than regular, what we call sweet milk in the country. Okay. Alrighty. Just use common sense, y'all. You made biscuits before, nothing different. And it forms a soft dough, just like this. That's it. That's what you want. You definitely don't want to over mix it. That's common sense. Okay. Now, we're going to put some flour here on the board. Flour on the board here, and we're gonna roll this out. Matter of fact, I need to get my little rolling pin here. Get my rolling pin inside here on the board. Alrighty. There we go. Make sure we get all this out of here. Alright, put in that. A little flour on top here. Okay. I didn't think I need a rolling pin for this. Put the small amount of biscuit dough here. Make sure you knead it really good here. I don't like to over knead it because you don't want to over knead it, because what's going to happen? You're going to have a tough biscuit. That's what you don't want. Okay. Like I said, I ain't going to even use a rolling pin. I'm going to just roll it with my hand just like that. Just like my mama used to do. Okay. I'm scrape up a little flour on there so it don't stick to my biscuit cutter. There we go. That's as thick as I want it right there. Now, wash my hands here right quick. But yeah, y'all, we gonna definitely see how we can see how these biscuits gonna be here. Okay, let me get my cutter here. I got my little pan right here. We're gonna see how many we get out of here. They say on there you're supposed to get 24. I don't know where they see 24 at. You're not getting 24 biscuits out of this. I might get a dozen at most. May get a dozen, I don't know. Might get a dozen out of here, I don't know. We're gonna find out and see here. Okay, let's put these together here. But the last couple of, videos I've done on Trader Joe's product, y'all can see already that they nice products they come out with. They had. I've been really satisfied with them. Okay, can I get one out of here? We're gonna make a little baby biscuit here, y'all. See if I'm good, y'all. How good am I? Gonna be a little mini biscuit right there. What did it say? Waste not, have not, waste not, like the buddy Daddy Jack used to say. Okay. Now, only thing I'm gonna do now, y'all, I'm gonna get the little spoon. Something my mama used to do, y'all. It's definitely country right here. Hold on just a second. Let me clean this off here. Get this off where my flour don't get on the bottom of the pan. Okay. Now, all I like to do, my mama used to do, they take that old chicken grease out the old Crisco can, and she put a little grease on top of them biscuits. I don't know why she did this, but she used to do this. So, hey, she did, I do it. Gotta keep the tradition going. Okay, now, put it in the oven, 350 degrees. Usually takes about 22 to 25 minutes on biscuits. So when we come back, I'm gonna get some melted butter because I like to brush my biscuits with melted butter when they come out of the oven. And we're gonna see how these things come out. We're gonna see how Trader Joe's is still living up to the hype. Most of the things I've tried lately has been great. So we'll be back. All right, y'all, we are back. It's been 20 minutes here. Took them out the oven. As promised, I got some melted butter here. Like I said, I like to brush my biscuits with a little melted butter on top when they come out. And I'm gonna let them sit here in just a few minutes. I gotta do that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And after I do that, we're gonna come back here and we're gonna open them up and we're gonna see how they are. See how they TI is, y'all. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, we're gonna check these out here. Put a little salsa here on the side. Open this up here, show y'all. I done let them set up a little. Let me see if we got that steam coming out of it. You can see that steam, and they definitely look fluffy. I got me a little mayhaw jelly here, y'all. I'm gonna eat it with a little mayhaw jelly. A little mayhaw jelly in between here. And we're gonna check it out like that, y'all. Put that up there. Okay, look at that. Okay, here goes. I guess I should have tasted without the jelly first, but wow, y'all. These biscuits are nice and fluffy. As you can see, when I opened it, Look how light and fluffy this biscuit is. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. And this supposed to be buttermilk pancake mix. You take that purpose bacon mix. Add some butter and some buttermilk. Look what you get. A nice fluffy biscuit. I would never thought it. I never thought it, y'all. Look at these biscuits. And what I'm gonna do with these, look at that. After they cool down later this evening, you know, I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag or a little food saver and freeze them. That's what I do with biscuits. I make a lot and I know I ain't gonna eat them all. Then I'll take them out as I need them and throw them out. And I'll have biscuits anytime I need it. So, Trader Joe's haven't failed me yet. A lot of people are down on Trader Joe's. If you have one in your area, go check them out. Right here. All-purpose bacon mix. We got the biscuit mix right on the back. Angel, flake angel, and they're right. They light as a feather. So anyway, let me close this video. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Foods. And next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.